Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make yellow curry. Ingredients you will need are some chicken tenders, or you can use breasts, about 2 to 3 potatoes, about 3 to 4 carrots, half of an onion, or you can use a whole onion, 1 cup of water, yellow curry paste, about 3 tablespoons, coconut milk, sugar, and some vegetable oil. Begin by peeling your onion, and then you're going to medium dice it. After washing your carrots, you are going to cut off the ends and then start peeling it. Next, go ahead and cut the carrots into diagonal slices. After washing your potatoes, you're going to start peeling it, and then you will dice them evenly. Next, you're going to wash your chicken and pat dry them, and then cut them into even pieces. Get a pot and fill it up with water. Then add the potatoes and carrots. Bring it to a boil and then go ahead and drain. In a separate pot, add 3 tablespoons of yellow curry paste, and then add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Saute for about 1 minute, and then you're going to take the coconut milk and pour half of it in. Stir to combine. Next, add in your chicken and cook for about 5 minutes. Add in 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then you're going to add the remaining coconut milk and the potatoes and carrots and the 1 cup of water. Then go ahead and stir to combine. Lastly, you're going to add in all of your onions and let it cook for about 2 minutes. And then go ahead and give it a quick taste. If you would like to add more sugar or more water, go right ahead. If not, then you are ready to eat. You may eat with a side of white rice. Enjoy!